Okay, so I wanted a bit of a change, so I thought, you know what, let me cane row my hair and let's apply this wig. It is the lace front Cassandra wig in T1B 30. It was £20, so I'm going to say this now, guys. This is not a wig install. This is a wig fail, and you shall see why. £20? From it flying off my head, I should have known it was already going downhill. And this glue, it was so gloopy. I was just like, I can already see the problems. The problems were just mounting problems upon problems. But you know what? I thought just keep trying. Keep having faith. This is not a wig install. This is a wig fail. Because as you can see, aside from the problems with the glue, the wig itself did not have enough lace to do proper plucking. So I had plucked this wig for about half an hour. You see it's given helmet of Helmetia. Yeah. It was an absolute shambles, and I was just looking at it as I was filming and I thought, this is not looking how it's supposed to look. It was given all the problems. And I think it was probably at this point I realized this is shambolic. This is now glued to my head. I have to walk around like this because I was going out after this. And I hated it. And it just kept getting worse. These edges. Edges? Or was it just a hot mess? Let's call it a hot mess, okay? Let's call it for what it is. Because it just... Oh... I feel like the technique was there, but that outcome, it was a mess. So I tried to put it up. Like, I kept trying to salvage it. And at each turn, the universe was just telling me, Janelle, stop. Cut it out. It's not working. And I just kept saying, let me just try. And I thought, like, you know, this could have worked. And then the lace started lifting. And I was like, what the hell is this glue? Basically, this is not a wig install. This is a wig fail. So basically, yeah, just don't buy cheap wigs, because this is what you get. Helmet of Helmetia. Shambolic.